love's too long. Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. I'm ready to go now.